Good morning, Kinetic coders. I'm sorry about the audio quality. Having trouble using my mic. Today I'm going to show you how to download Python on Windows. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to python.org/downloads. Considering you're doing it after me, you're going to want to download Python 3.7.2 right here. Maybe in the future there will be Python 3.7.3, in which case you want to download that. But for this purpose, I'm going to download Python 3.7.2. After you download it, you will have a file called Python 3.7.2 setup. You're going to run that file, and you will have a setup wizard. Sorry, due to technical difficulties, I cannot show you this. Then, after you're done with this, you're going to search down in the bottom left corner, there is a little box that says type to search. You're going to search idle in that, and there will be something that says Python idle, and you are going to want to run that. And I'm going to show you the idle. It should look something like this. Here, this is a shell. This is just like the shell I showed you in the previous video. What you can do here is type in, for example, print hello world. And it does it. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new file. So you go into File and press New File. As you can see, it has printed hello world. Thank you for watching, and bye!